Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Sakshi Malik. Sakshi Malik is a popular Indian actress, model, fitness influencer and best known for her appearance in the hit song Boom Diggy Diggy from the film Sonu Ki Tutti Ki Sweetie. She has built a massive following on social media, especially Instagram, with millions of followers drawn to her glamorous photoshoot, fashion content, and confident pose. Her style often blends bold, modern outfit with traditional ethnic wears, showcasing versatility in casual, festive, and party looks. She is wearing a soft pink strapless mini dress with a sweater neckline and the subtle blowing details at the waist, hugging her curve while adding mid-height or a fluttery vibe. Her long wavy hair cascading over her shoulders as she poses reclined against the rosy backdrop. The look evolves a romantic, rosy aesthetic, completed with minimal jewelries like delicate necklace, high heels or barefoot keeps it casual like seduction, perfect for a playful photoshoot. This features an engaging off-white, greyish lehenga. The choli is sleeveless with a deep neckline and intricate pearls work across the bodycon and the sleeves. The lehenga skirt flows in layer with pearls detailing, creating luxurious bridal, inspiring appearance. She sits gracefully with one hand off her knee. Hairstyle is a soft wave and a middle parting. The overall vibe is a regal and festive, detail for wedding or especially for occasion, enhanced by subtle makeups and statement earrings. She dons a stunning silver grey sequined lehenga for a Diwali themed shoot. The alternate chori has shield match panel with heavy sequins and bead work, paired with the matching following lehenga, skirt fully curved in a shimmering sequence. The outfit sparkles dramatically against the plain backdrops, emphasizing glamorous and shine. Her hair is tight and an updo, with losing stand framing her face. This sampling screaming festive luxury, perfect for celebration like Diwali, with minimal yet elegant jewelry. A deep maroon red halter, neck maxi dress with a high neck and open back, featuring a tight slits of her movements and allure. The fabric looks satins like a forming fitting, accentuating her figure as she poses on a stool in a studio. It has a sophisticated evening wear feels like huge details and the neckline. Her wavy hair and bold lips and drama. This sexy, elegant look suit parties or photoshoot pair with strappy heels. She wears a classy black sari with golden embroideries, sleeveless blouse that has deep neckline and intricate pattern. The sari pallu draped elegantly over one shoulder, with golden dots over the black fabrics for subtle sparkle. Pose standing against a textured backdrop. It's highlighted traditional yet modern, sensual style. Her makeup is glamorous with red lips and earrings. This timeless ethnic look is versatile for events for festive vibes. A vibrant pink sequenced mini dress covered entirely in shiny sequins, giving a disco ball effect. It has a deep V neckline and short length, paired with a glamorous pose against metallic balloons. The outfit is a bold parties ready and eye-catchy with fluorescents in her hair. It radiant funds, celebratory energy, detail for nightlife for festive reels. An emerald green lehenga, choli with golden embroideries and off-shoulder shorts sleeve on the choli. The blouse has a deep plugs with detailed motifs, while the lehenga skirts featuring layered patterns in gold. She stands confidently in a studio, exhibiting timeless, glamorous, rich colors and intricate works make it perfect wedding or ethnic events, complements by statement earrings. A white off-shoulder halter maxi dress with a deep V neckline and flowing skirts worn in front of Christmas tree. The collared texture of a part adds a luxurious touch, paired with a chain strapped bags Her hair flow freely as pose playfully. This festive, elegant holiday look blend Western glamorous with cozy vibes, subtle for Christmas celebration. A sleek black satin sleeve dress with thin spaghetti straps and a sequence neckline, adding mid-tight. The shiny fabric clings to her body as she stretches her arms in a sequin pose, minimalist yet seductive. It's highlight her toned figure, pair with loose hairs and subtle makeups, thin nightmares, or intimate photoshoot outfit seducts effortless allure. A shimmering silver white lehenga, choli with off-shoulder, sleeveless and heavily embroideries on the crop top. The skirt flows elegantly in the soft fabric, creating an angelic and ethereal vibe. She posed dramatically on the floor against a garden backdrop. The metallic sheen and delicate design make it ideal for festival, glamorous and ethnic shoots. A bright orange-red lehenga with a matching crop top featuring thin strap and intricate silver threading. The lehenga has a layered ruffled with sequins worn as she poses with one arm raised, festive and vibrant. A shoot mandrape or celebrity occasion with her hair is losing wave-adding moments. A casual white crop top with text print, chronically offline but live with your favorite vibe. Pair with high waist, white ruffle with many shorts and chunky black belts. Finish with black combat boots. She stands by seasides with wine-backed hair. This edgy street style look is a perfect everyday fashion and travel reels, blending comfort with attitude. A vibrant image green used bodycon maxi dress with thin straps and high slits off one side. She leaned against a stone wall outdoor with mountains in the background, one hand in her hair. The form-fitting slosters accentuated her curves in a fresh, ideal for vacation or scanning photoshoots with minimal accessories for a natural glow. So guys, here is the some detail of Sakshi Malik, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe Salib Clip for more videos like this.